Hey there, fellow adventurers! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of minimalist travel packing. Whether you're jetting off for business or pleasure, mastering the art of packing light can make your journey a breeze. In this video, we'll show you how to create a travel capsule wardrobe that fits perfectly into a carry-on, ensuring you have everything you need for a 2-week trip without the hassle of bulky luggage. Let's get started. Before we embark on our packing journey, let's take a moment to discuss the importance of strategy. Planning isn't just a tedious task, it's your ticket to stress-free travel. Think of it as laying the foundation for a seamless adventure. Begin by compiling a detailed list of must-have items, tailored specifically to your destination, planned activities, and anticipated weather conditions. By doing so, you'll sidestep the common pitfall of overpacking and ensure that every item you bring serves a purpose. Imagine the freedom of traveling with a perfectly curated selection of essentials. No more lugging around bulky bags filled with items you'll never use. Instead, each item in your suitcase will have been thoughtfully chosen to enhance your travel experience. Trust us, the relief of traveling light is unmatched. You'll breeze through airports, hop on and off trains, and navigate bustling streets with ease, unencumbered by the burden of excess baggage. But minimalist travel isn't just about shedding physical weight. It's about embracing a mindset of simplicity and intentionality. It's about prioritizing experiences over possessions and finding joy in the freedom of mobility. So, before you zip up that suitcase, take the time to strategize. Plan your packing list meticulously, visualizing the adventures that lie ahead and ensuring you're equipped for every possibility. Remember, a little preparation today leads to a world of possibilities tomorrow. Now, let's dive deeper into the fascinating world of wardrobe essentials, where creativity meets practicality. As you craft your travel capsule, envision each piece of clothing as a puzzle piece that contributes to the overall picture of your style journey. The key is to focus on versatility, selecting items that can effortlessly transition from day to night, from casual outings to more formal affairs. By choosing pieces that can be mixed and matched, you'll unlock a treasure trove of outfit possibilities without the need for excess baggage. When it comes to color palette, think of your wardrobe as a blank canvas waiting to be adorned with your personal flair. While classic neutrals like black, white, and navy form the backbone of your capsule collection, don't shy away from injecting a splash of vibrancy with a few carefully chosen pops of color. Whether it's a sunny yellow scarf or a bold red blouse, these accent pieces add depth and personality to your ensemble, ensuring that your style reflects the vibrant spirit of your travels. Now, let's talk about fabrics. In the world of minimalist travel, lightweight is the name of the game. Seek out fabrics that are not only feather-light, but also resistant to wrinkles, allowing you to maintain a polished appearance even after hours spent in transit. Look for materials that offer breathability and moisture-wicking properties, ensuring your comfort in a variety of climates. And let's not forget about layering. Choose fabrics that are easy to layer for those moments when the weather throws you a curveball, allowing you to adapt with ease to changing temperatures and environments. As you curate your travel capsule, keep in mind the mantra of quality over quantity. Instead of packing your suitcase to the brim with countless items that you may never wear, focus on selecting a curated selection of high-quality pieces that you truly love and feel confident in. By investing in timeless staples that withstand the test of time, you'll not only lighten your load, but also elevate your travel style to new heights. So, as you embark on your next adventure, remember to approach your wardrobe with creativity, versatility, and practicality in mind. With the right essentials in your suitcase, you'll be ready to conquer the world in style, one outfit at a time. It's time to embark on a journey into the depths of our suitcase and uncover the treasures within. Our first stop? Tops. Picture your tops as the building blocks of your outfit, the versatile pieces that lay the foundation for your travel style. Whether you're exploring cobblestone streets or sipping cocktails at a rooftop bar, having the right tops on hand is essential. When selecting tops for your travel capsule, aim for a well-rounded selection that covers all your bases. Pack a mix of t-shirts for casual days spent sightseeing, blouses for more polished outings, and sweaters for cooler evenings or unexpected weather changes. By having a variety of tops at your disposal, you'll be prepared for any occasion that comes your way. But remember, moderation is key. Resist the urge to pack your suitcase to the brim with endless options. Instead, embrace the philosophy of less is more and aim for quality over quantity. Choose around 5 tops that you absolutely love and feel comfortable in, then mix and match them throughout your trip to create a variety of stylish ensembles. By keeping your selection streamlined, you'll not only save space in your suitcase, but also avoid decision fatigue when getting dressed each day. As you pack your tops, consider the versatility of each piece. Can it be dressed up with a pair of tailored pants for a dinner out, or dressed down with jeans for a day of exploring? Seek out tops that offer maximum versatility, allowing you to effortlessly transition from one activity to the next without missing a beat. So, as you prepare to pack your tops for your next adventure, remember to choose wisely, focusing on quality, versatility, and comfort. With a carefully curated selection of tops in your suitcase, you'll be ready to take on the world in style, one outfit at a time. Moving on, let's explore the realm of bottoms, the essential counterparts to our tops. As we curate our travel capsule, it's crucial to select bottoms that not only complement our tops, but also offer versatility and comfort. Consider packing a couple of pairs of pants or skirts that can be mixed and matched with your tops, allowing for effortless outfit coordination. Look for pieces in neutral tones or classic prints that can seamlessly transition from day to night, ensuring you're prepared for any adventure that comes your way. But let's not forget about those special occasions that call for a touch of elegance. Be sure to include a versatile dress or two in your suitcase, perfect for those nights when you want to dress to impress. Whether it's a sleek little black dress or a flowy maxi dress, choose pieces that can be dressed up or down depending on the occasion. With a versatile dress in your arsenal, you'll be ready to hit the town in style, no matter where your travels take you. And of course, no travel capsule is complete without a reliable pair of shoes. As you embark on your adventures, you'll need footwear that can keep up with your itinerary, from sightseeing excursions to romantic dinners. Opt for a comfortable yet stylish pair of shoes that can take you from day to night without missing a beat. Whether it's a pair of sleek sneakers, versatile flats, or chic sandals, choose footwear that not only looks good, but also feels good on your feet. By carefully selecting bottoms, dresses, and shoes that offer both style and functionality, you'll create a travel capsule that's as practical as it is chic. With the right pieces in your suitcase, you'll be ready to explore the world with confidence and grace, knowing that you're prepared for whatever adventures lie ahead. So, as you pack your essentials, remember to choose wisely and embrace the beauty of versatility. Now that we've carefully curated our wardrobe essentials, the next step is to transform our selections into a neatly packed suitcase ready for adventure. To maximize space and minimize wrinkles, consider rolling your clothes instead of folding them. This simple packing technique not only saves valuable space in your suitcase, but also helps to keep your garments wrinkle-free during transit. Additionally, investing in packing cubes can be a game changer when it comes to keeping your belongings organized and easily accessible. Use these handy compartments to group similar items together, such as tops, bottoms, and accessories. Not only will packing cubes help you stay organized throughout your trip, but they'll also make unpacking a breeze once you reach your destination. As you pack your clothing, don't forget to leave room for other travel essentials, such as toiletries, electronics, and any souvenirs you may pick up along the way. Consider investing in travel-sized toiletries to save space and comply with airline regulations. And don't underestimate the importance of packing your electronics securely to prevent damage during transit. Consider investing in a padded case or protective sleeve for added peace of mind. With a little strategic packing and thoughtful organization, you'll be amazed at how much you can fit into a carry-on suitcase. By maximizing space and minimizing clutter, you'll streamline your travel experience and ensure that you have everything you need for a seamless journey. So, as you prepare to embark on your next adventure, Remember the power of strategic packing. It's the key to stress-free travel and unforgettable memories. And there you have it, folks. Your ultimate guide to minimalist travel packing. By curating a travel capsule wardrobe filled with versatile basics, you can say goodbye to lugging around heavy suitcases and hello to effortless adventures. So, the next time you're planning a getaway, remember these tips and pack light, pack right. Bon voyage! If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button to help our podcast reach more people. Thank you for your support, and may you all have a peaceful day.